Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, your hub for timeless automotive icons. Today, we're stepping back to an era of elegance, power, and prestige, with the ultra-rare 1938 Packard Darrin Convertible Victoria. Exterior. The 1938 Packard Darrin Convertible Victoria is more than a car, it's a statement of prestige. Designed by legendary coachbuilder Howard Dutch Darrin, this Packard breaks away from the conservative styling of its time with sweeping French curves, a low-slung body, and a sharply raked windshield. The long, dramatic front end features a bold V-shaped chrome grille flanked by bullet-shaped headlights. The flowing fenders and skirted rear wheels add a streamlined, almost nautical feel. Its cut-down doors and convertible soft top give it an open, breezy roadster presence, perfect for Hollywood stars and East Coast elites. Finished in deep maroon or royal blue with contrasting tan tops, every detail speaks bespoke luxury. Interior. Inside, the Packard Darrin Convertible Victoria offers handcrafted elegance. Soft, glove leather seats provide plush comfort, while the dashboard is trimmed in walnut burl with delicately etched chrome bezels around each gauge. The steering wheel is large and stately, reflecting the driving style of the era. Instrumentation is simple yet stylish, a speedometer, oil pressure, fuel level, and ammeter, all lined up symmetrically. Rear passenger space is generous for a two-door convertible, making this a true grand touring machine. The soft top is manually operated but folds cleanly into the rear deck, maintaining the car's flowing profile when lowered. Performance. Under the hood lies Packard's robust 282 cubic inch straight-8 engine. It produces about 120 horsepower, more than adequate for its time, delivering smooth, refined performance. The 3-speed manual transmission is column-shifted and precise, offering a surprisingly comfortable drive for such a large car. Independent front suspension and hydraulic brakes, advanced for the era, provide a cushioned, composed ride even over rough 1930s roads. This wasn't just a car for show, it was meant to be driven in luxury. The 1938 Packard Darrin Convertible Victoria is a masterpiece of American coach building, rare, elegant, and full of presence. With fewer than 50 ever built and even fewer surviving today, it's a crown jewel in any classic collection. Whether you're a collector, a fan of pre-war design, or just someone who appreciates automotive art, the Darrin Convertible Victoria captures a moment in time when cars weren't just transportation, they were rolling sculptures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us what classic you want to see next. Thanks for watching Auto Luxury 295, where history drives in style.